There are people na parang lagi silang biktima. Now, don't get me wrong. May mga tao talagang sobrang bigat ng pinagdaanan. I understand that. I've been there as well. I was able to grow as a person because of the tragic experiences I had in my life. Pero nakarating ako sa posisyon ngayon because I refuse to be the victim. Hindi pwedeng biktima ka lagi sa kwento. Hindi pwedeng kawawa ka lagi sa kwento. Hindi pwedeng negative ka lagi sa kwento. Especially sarili mong kwento. Based on science guys, based on research, 50% ng kwento natin sa utak natin hindi totoo. Don't get me wrong, pwedeng totoong may pinagdaanan ka. Pero minsan, ino-overdramatize natin, ini-enhance natin yung kwento base sa gusto nating maramdaman. Kasi kaya lang naman natin binabalikan yung lumang kwento, gusto nating maramdaman ulit yung sakit, yung pain. If you induce that over and over, if you overstimulate in negativity and toxicity, you will feel bad. Hindi siya makakatulong sa'yo.